with y'all, man. Y'all already know who it is. Yeah, we back again. Hopefully y'all having a good day or night or whatever's going on where y'all at right now, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy DQ, back at y'all with another one of them things. Y'all already know what it is, but y'all, guess what? We almost at 200 subs. Y'all, cause of y'all, I'm almost at 200 subs cause of y'all. Now that might not sound like a lot, but I'm so grateful. I'm very appreciative of small things, you know what I'm saying? So with that being, cause yeah, we almost there. Hey, we going up, y'all turning me up now. Hey, y'all better turn me up, but no. I got a little fashion video for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how to make that crop, I'm gonna show y'all how to make a crop hoodie at home. You know what I'm saying? It's super easy. I already made me one. I'm gonna show it to y'all in a minute. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Look, it's a little fashion tutorial, you might as well say. I might start doing videos like this, you never know, cause for the people that don't know, you know what I'm saying, I like to dress up from time to time. That's like a hobby of mine. Now I don't dress up all the time, but I will dress up though. When it's time for me to dress up, I do dress up. But only thing y'all gonna need is some scissors. Get you some scissors and a hoodie. You know what I'm saying? Now, what I was gonna say was, in my opinion, preferably, what I was gonna say was, if you making a crop hoodie, don't use like no Nike hoodie or no Under Armour hoodie or nothing like that. It's not gonna look right, in my opinion. If it was me, I'd just use a graphic hoodie. If you got any graphic hoodies laying around, you know what I'm saying, with all kind of designs on it, something on the back, them the best hoodies to use for stuff like this. So I'm using a graphic hoodie, as y'all can see. I'm not using no Nike hoodie or nothing like that, you know what I'm saying? It just look better to me now. What make the hoodie look better is if you got a hoodie that don't got that pocket in the front. Y'all know what I'm talking about when y'all know what I'm talking about. Come on now, everybody know what I'm talking about. But if you got a hoodie that don't got that pocket in the front and it's just graphics, like design on the front and no pocket, this tutorial is gonna have you know what I'm saying, you're gonna walk out the house looking drippy. Now, with that being said, I know. This video is low-key out of season because it is summertime. It's like, who gonna be wearing hoodies? But if it's drip, it's drip, you know what I'm saying? It don't be that hot at nighttime. So if you want to throw some drip on at nighttime, this something you can throw on, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, without further ado, I'm finna get right into it.
Now y'all gonna see, as I'm cutting the hoodie, y'all gonna see me continuously flipping the hoodie over to check the back, because when you cutting like hoodies and stuff like this, like fabric, you gotta make sure that it's like, you know what I'm saying, lined up and you're not over cutting in certain areas. So yeah, y'all just gonna see me flipping the hoodie back and forth, you know what I'm saying? And when you cutting, I advise you not to close the scissors all the way, just barely close it, you know what I'm saying, because it make it easier cutting. To me, it made it easier to cut across. As y'all can see, I went across it pretty easy. It don't really take that long. But yeah, the sharper your scissors are, the easier this is to do. So just get y'all some real good scissors, and it really ain't nothing to this for real. I cut through this like super fast and it went straight across.
Now I know some people when they make these on the hood part right here, on the hood part, some people that cut this and have it like flat back, you know what I'm saying? Y'all probably don't know some of y'all probably know what I'm talking about, but some of y'all probably don't. But y'all know how some hoodies, like the hoodie don't be like this, like the hood part don't be like that, it had like flaps on it, you know what I'm saying? And it like, I can't describe it, but for the people that know what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna do that to this hoodie, because I did it to the other one, and I ain't really like the way it looked. I'm finna show y'all the other one in a minute. But yeah, this is the finished product, you know what I'm saying? This is what it should look like. This is what it should look like when you're done with it. I mean, it's pretty easy. Only thing I recommend is making sure you got some sharp scissors, because that hoodie, the hoodie I just did was thick. See, the first one I did wasn't thick, so it was easy to cut through it. But if you got some dull scissors, it's gonna take you a little longer to, you know what I'm saying, cut through the hoodie. So I just recommend getting you some real sharp scissors if your hoodie is thick. But if the hoodie not that thick, then you ain't really got nothing to worry about. You should be able to get through it and just cut it up. But I'm finna show y'all the other hoodie that I made, and then I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can style your new hoodie, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can throw it on with something slight. I'm gonna throw on something slight, but depending on what kind of hoodie y'all got, you can throw something, you know, so you can really throw something on with it. But enough talking, I'm finna show y'all what's going on. This is the other hoodie that I made, you know what I'm saying? I basically did the same thing on it, cut the bottom part off. Only thing I did on this one that I didn't do on the other one is I cut, you see how, y'all see how I cut it? Cause you know when you put it on, it's supposed to, the hoodie, it's supposed to be flat back like that, but y'all see how much space is between that? Y'all see how much I cut? I cut way too much. I cut way too much. So I probably won't be wearing this one cause I low-key messed it up. I mean, I probably could still wear it. I just don't know if I really want to or not. But enough talking, I'm finna go ahead and show y'all how y'all can, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna go ahead and show y'all how y'all can throw something on with y'all new hoodie. Hey, I ain't gonna count. This is hard now. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Y'all let me know if y'all rocking with this, man. I really like, this one turned out way better than the other one. Now, I ain't, like I said, I ain't gonna cut this part right here because I don't wanna mess it up. But I like the way this one came out, man. But okay, basically what I got on, I threw on some jeans, the all white G-Fazos or Forces or whatever y'all call them. You know what I'm saying? Get you a white tee. Try to get you an oversized white tee because it look better with an oversized white tee sticking out underneath. So get you an oversized white tee up under there. Then you throw the hoodie on over, you know what I'm saying? And it's, hey, wait, I don't know if y'all can see for real. I don't know if y'all can see for real or not. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know if y'all can see the shoes or not, but hey, this is some slight drip. This is slight drip that y'all can throw on, you know what I'm saying? This is exactly how I would style it when I start wearing this. Now, it probably won't be this hoodie that I wear because I'll just use this in the video. But at the same time, like I said, I like the way that this hoodie turned out. So I might throw this, you know what I'm saying? I might throw this on, you know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know if this drip or not. And yeah, man. With that being said, that's pretty much it for the video as far as me showing y'all how y'all can make y'all a crop hoodie at home. Now, I did want to let y'all know that I got a package coming in the mail in a couple of days, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give y'all another unboxing video. I think I got one unboxing video up right now, but it was when I unboxed my camera like months ago. This unboxing gonna be different. This unboxing is gonna actually be me unboxing some drip, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be unboxing some clothes, you know what I'm saying? So y'all be on the lookout for that video because I do got an unboxing video for y'all coming. And I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna unbox all of it and I'm gonna try all of it on just like how I just did the hoodie I just made. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all, let's go, man. Get me to 200 subs. I can't do it without y'all. Y'all done got me to where I'm at now, so let's keep going. Let's keep going. Give me the 200 subs, man. Fuck with your boy. Give me the 200 subs. You feel what I'm saying? But what else I need to tell y'all? I think that's it. I need a retwist. Y'all probably looking at my head like, he rough right now. I already know. Chill out. We ain't on that. Everybody had their days. I'm having my days right now. But like I said, man, be on the lookout for that unboxing video I got coming for y'all. Hopefully y'all like the video. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment down below if y'all tried this tutorial out and how did y'all hoodie turn out. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if y'all like the crop hoodies in the first place, because y'all probably some people don't like the crop hoodie look. I like them though, and I'm finna start really getting into them. Because like I said, I'm really low-key into fashion. I'm not just a hype beast on it. Like, I don't have to dress up, but I will dress up though. Like, that is a hobby that I enjoy doing, even though I don't do it all the time. But yeah, man, it's your boy DQ. Oh, wait. That's what I need to tell y'all. All my subscribers, I don't care if you're a boy or a girl, this is what I want y'all to do, because I want to do a video. I want to do a video over me rating my subscribers drip. I want to see who can throw that shit on, you know what I'm saying? Who got the sauce? Who got the sauce in their bag? I need to know. So, if y'all want to be if I can get 10 people to send me pictures of them with that shit on, I will drop a video of me rating my subscribers drip. You know what I'm saying? Let's see who really stepping. Let's see who just talking. Let's see who really stepping, throwing that shit on. Let's see. I gotta know. I need to know. So if I can get 10 of y'all, you ain't even gotta be a subscriber. For real. If you see this video, go follow me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? DM me a picture of you. You ain't even gotta say your name. Just DM me a picture of you. I'm gonna already know what the picture is for. if I feel like your drip meet my requirements, I'm gonna put you in the video. You know what I'm saying? All I need is 10 people to do it though. All I need is 10 of y'all to DM me. Now, if I get more people to DM me than 10 people, then I'm gonna add as many people in the video as I can. But if I can get 10 people minimum to DM me on Instagram with a picture, I'm gonna do a video of me rating my subscribers drip. You know what I'm saying? That'll be a video y'all gonna have to look out for if I can get y'all to do it. So, with that being said, go follow me on Instagram, go DM me a picture, and we're gonna get it cracking. You know what I'm saying? 200 subs on the way, man. 200 subs on the way. We about to get it. I know y'all feel it. I feel it. We about to get it. We about to get it. I feel it I feel it, man. I feel it. But enough of me talking, man. I'm gonna let y'all get on with y'all day or y'all night. Hopefully y'all enjoy the video. It's your boy DQ, and I'm out.